Sephora, I need answers. I need answers, Sephora. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I'm doing my unboxing for February in March because I just got my Sephora Play box. And well, before we get into this, you need to subscribe. So there's a button, it says subscribe. You can just press it and then you'll be part of my lovely Glitz Glam Club. Instead of fan club, it's called a Glitz Glam Club. So so I'm getting into the unboxing of my February play box in March, and I need answers from Sephora. I need to know why they take my money on the first of the month for this box, but I don't receive it till the very end of the month. I mean, it's actually March now. So, but that's neither here nor there. I've never had a problem with Sephora Play. I usually really like what they give us, but I'm just like, you guys need to get it together because you definitely take my money nice and bright and early in the month, and I don't need to be getting my beep by the end of the month, okay? And this was for Valentine's Day. Like, the theme is like love, and I didn't even get it till like mad late and wrong. So yeah. So anyway, let's get into what we got. So this is the February 2017 box. So first thing I see here is the Sephora Rouge Matte lipstick. So this is like so small. I'm like, and it's Sephora brand, so I'm like, if it's Sephora brand, I'm sorry, they need to be giving us a bigger one. Like, so, but anyway, let me just go ahead and try this on. Just using this mirror here. So I'm gonna just try it on here. It looks like a red. It would have been very nice for Valentine's Day, I'm sure, but I didn't have it on Valentine's Day, so yeah. What do we think? It's matte. It seems very comfortable on the lips. This is like, to me, for it to be a Sephora brand, and this is the Sephora box, this is entirely too small. But also at the same time, I do like mini products. So yeah, I'm not too mad at this. And actually, I was just saying, like, I wonder how long it would take to go through an entire thing of lipstick. I've never like gone through an entire tube of lipstick, so I mean, maybe it's good to have smaller sizes. I don't know. So next I got the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil Crayon. So this is, I don't like this color, I already know, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for the sake of the video here. It seems, oh, actually it's not, no, I don't like it. I mean, it's very pigmented, and I mean, it's NARS, and it looks like a good size. I'm like, the NARS stuff is bigger than the Sephora stuff. Like, that makes no sense. And this is the Sephora box? Like, really? Sephora, why are you playing with me? So the next thing I got is this Extreme Drama Liquid Pencil, and it's from Lancome. It looks like a brown pencil. It's so small. But again, this is bigger than the Sephora lipstick. So yeah, let's swatch it and see what it looks like. Okay, this is good. This would be a nice alternative for, it went on really smooth. So it's a nice alternative for black liner. I don't think you can use this for your brows. It looks it's like very smooth for brows. I think it should be a little bit tougher for brows. So anyway, next I got the Moisturizing Eye Balm from Belief. Provides intense moisture. So this eye cream has been clinically tested to provide up to 26 hours of moisture and improve skin elasticity. So this is an eye cream. So this is a skincare product. I'm not that mad at it. We could always use moisturizers, and you know, a moisturizer will be this size and it'll be like $70. So, well, maybe a little bit bigger, but yeah, I'm not too mad at this. So this is the Belief Moisturizer Eye Balm. Next I got the Peter Thomas Roth, and this is big. Now this is a big sample, so it's like, The other brands are bigger than the Sephora brand samples, but whatever. So Peter Thomas Ross is expensive. So this is peeling gel. So visibly roll away and lift and sweep away dead skin cells massaged onto skin. I don't know what this does. So apply a generous amount on clean, dry skin. Gently massage in a circular motion to roll, lift, and sweep away dead skin cells. Rinse well with water. So it sounds like an exfoliator. So yeah, this is from Peter Thomas Roth, PTR as they call it on the gram. And then I guess this is a bonus. This is just the Victor Rolf Flower Bomb perfume. I have so many samples of perfume. So yeah. So Sephora, I'm not even going to get into it. I'm not going to cancel or anything, but they need to get it together because this was a Valentine's Day box and I'm getting it in March. I don't even understand this. Oh, look, February 2018. I'm just like, what? Why are they sending them out so late? I don't understand it. So yeah, I should probably call up and complain like, I got my box in March and this is a February box. They'll be like, oh, we sent it in February, not in March. It just got to you in March. So I don't know. I'm debating if I'll call customer service or not. So yeah, leave a comment with what you got in your box, and until next time, make sure that you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Bye.